Okay, good morning, good day. Now we will have a review about my journal about optimizing internet service provider, or we are known ISP satisfaction, evaluating connectivity in user preferences. This is the journal that I presented. I already submit. And now let's go to the PowerPoint of this journal. Today, we will explore the key factors that influence user satisfaction with internet service providers, or we known as ISPs. We'll dive into critical aspects like customer service, internet speed, connection stability, affordability, and emerging trends like streaming and remote works. Let's get started. Okay, number one, choosing an ISP isn't just about who provides the internet. It's about the reliability, speed, and support. User satisfaction hinge on multiple factors. And today, we'll break down the most important or most impactful ones based on research insights. First, customer service. Did you know that active user engagement in support services boosts trust? Quick response times and feedback mechanism are game changers. For example, when ISP listen to users' complaints and adopt satisfaction source, it's not just about fixing issues, it's about making users feel valued. Next, speed and reliability. Users don't just want for internet, or users just don't want fast internet. They want consistent performance, streaming, gaming, and remote work demand both. A study shows that 43% of users prioritize streaming, and buffering ruins the experience. Okay, pag masyadong naglalag, syempre ang pangit mag-stream. Now, ISPs must balance speed and reliability to keep users happy. Okay, next. Stability is non-negotiable. Frequent outages. Users will switch providers. Remote workers and gamers especially need rock-solid connections. Investing in infrastructure to reduce disruption isn't optional. It's critical for loyalty. Okay, maraming lumilipat kapag hindi maganda yung connection. Diba, naghanap ng ibang internet service provider. Okay. Ano pa ba yung impact? Affordability. Affordability and pricing. Okay, budget matters, 27%. 87% of users pick ISP based on price. Competitive pricing strategies are essential to attract cost-conscious consumers. ISPs must balance quality and affordability to win in competitive markets. Okay, ano ba yung users' preferences and trends? Okay, ito nga, kagaya ng sinabi ko, users prioritize affordability. Siyempre, kung mas mahal, mas kukunti ang kukuha nito. Regardless ng speed, okay? Streaming and remote work. Okay, streaming is the trends are reshaping ISP demands. Streaming dominates 43% of internet use, and remote work demands reliability, connectivity. ISP must adapt to this shift. Think high-speed plans for streamers in stable connection for remote workers. Okay? Ito yung mga nag-ano sa mga trends, user demographics and streaming trends. Yan. The rise of streaming services create demands for high-speed and stable connection for which ISP must address to maintain user satisfaction. Okay, remote work and connectivity. Usually yung mga trabaho ngayon talagang nasa bahay na, work from home na. Kaya importante yung connection ng internet. To wrap up, ISP satisfaction boils down to great service, reliable speed, stable connection, fair pricing, and adapting to trends. For ISPs, the message is clear. Listen to users, invest in infrastructure, and stay ahead of needs. Okay, kailangan makinig tayo lagi sa customer kasi sila yung gumagamit natin. Okay, thank you very much for this short review on my journal. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you, thank you.